Hello, we have already seen marking of layout on the ground, its methods. Now let's see some major precautions to be taken while marking layout on the ground. Here some of the precautions need to mention. It is a separate question in exam point of view. These are some precautions need to be taken while marking layout on the ground. First, correct measurement of distances. We should take each and every distance carefully, preferably by steel tape. In most of the cases, steel tape is used for measurement of distances. Use of level, either dumpy level or mason's level, to measure the elevations. Either dumpy level or mason's level is used, or it should be used. Correct marking of face line or center line method. These two methods we have already discussed in the previous video. Correct marking of face line or center line method. Use of correct plumb bob for transferring points on ground. These things we have already studied in basic survey and in advanced survey. Checking of distances from at least two independent measurements. It is necessary to check distances from at least 2 points. That point will be independent points by using, in most of the cases, by using Pythagoras theorem. Their diagonals checked. Next is earthwork. Now, if once we have completed our marking part, marking on the ground, marking layout on the ground, then the next step is earthwork. In earthwork, now we are starting the actual work on the site, and very first step of work on the site is obviously excavation for the foundation. Now the excavation of the construction is started, in which first thing we have to do is excavation of foundation trenches can be done either manually with the help of conventional implements or with the help of special mechanical equipment. These things were already very much well known about this. We can use methods for excavation. That method may be manually, or it will be by using mechanical equipments such as JCB and small excavating equipments. Excavate foundation along the line created by batter boats. See, excavate foundation. Excavate means excavate or remove the portion of that much part that lies along the line created by batter boats. That white line marking, just follow that marking or white line marking carefully while excavating. excavate remainder of soil inside the perimeter. Okay, next thing is don't excavate inside soil if the slab is on the grade. That means we don't want to excavate inside the soil if there is long hard strata that might be that there might be possibility of some excavation of some extra portion that we want to avoid. If foundation is deep, taper edges are used to prevent the collapse. It is again related to our point. We must cut the taper edges uh, by using sharp cutting tools to prevent extra collapse. Okay, it is necessary to avoid extra collapse while excavating because some large or big uh, stones are there and they need to cut properly according to the marking and there might be possibility of collapse and it should be prevent at every point. If soil is unstable or very deep, use shoring method. This shoring method we will see in upcoming some points. Here just see or just remember these some points we have to keep in mind while marking or while excavation of foundation actually on the site. These uh, two important questions we have studied here. One question according to exam point of view, this one is question asked in many exams. What are the precautions to be taken while marking layout on the ground? This one question. And another important question is asked many times is explain earthwork or explain excavation for foundation in detail. These are the two theory questions we have studied here. Next portion we will study in the next video. So thank you so much.